What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury,
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Just come to see Phlegm, Mausoleum of Giants, new art installation in Sheffield. It's been here for a couple of weeks. I come every time. I think I come 4 times, and it's always a 2-hour queue, so, and no different this time. In fact, they've closed the end of the line and it's the last day, so I'm not gonna get to see this. I'm just gonna wait here, and when the queue gets right to the end, I'm gonna see if I can sneak in. I don't think so though, the bouncers are pretty serious. Got my bike, I've got my Game Boy in my bag. I'm just making a time lapse of the queue going down. I think it's going to be really boring because they let 30 people at a time, so it just goes down incrementally. You're really not going to see any movement to be speeded up. Too scared to go down the other side because there's all these sharp bits of broken brick and stuff. My tires really aren't meant for this sort of thing.
you don't have very long. What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic.
I found this cool crowbar.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
I don't have any means of getting it home, and I don't really need a crowbar. I also found this telescopic pole. You can push these buttons in, telescope it down. I guess it's useful for something, but and that's the end of that. No more allowed in. Well, that was probably a really boring time lapse. Anyway, there's lots of art in Sheffield that you don't have to wait 2 hours to see. In fact, I've never waited 2 hours to see any art before. How am I going to get out of here? To climb over this bit. Yeah, that's fine.
You're going to see Phlegm today?
I haven't, because I got here too late. I've come 4 times, and every time it's a 2-hour wait.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
but you waited 2 hours.
At least,
yeah. I wanted to make a time lapse of the queue going down.
Oh,
so
yeah, cool. How did it work out? Did it work out all right?
I don't think so, because they're going in chunks. That's the spirit. Didn't see that drop. Queue for 2 hours to see that. It's probably not as good as a 3-dimensional sculpture though.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
I guess he's putting these around here where the queue is going to be, so people have got something to look at while they wait. Beep. been queuing up to try and see the exhibition. They've been given bits of chalk to pass the time. Everybody's been drawing on the walls, drawing on the floor. I don't think there's been any artists queuing up, to be honest, but what does this say? Time spent in queue, 3 years, 20 days, RIP. Huh. Well, this is really near the back of the queue as well, so if they've been in... Whoa, it goes all the way around this corner as well. That's crazy. No idea. Classic message. I like the dinosaur. JB was here. JB again. Chop! Oh, well, that's good.
We don't have very long. What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury,
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
This is Dave, who's gonna tally his prison of waiting in queue. Phlegm was here apparently. You know, I think he can do better than that. That's nice. Ooh. This whole Sheffield Hallam student area, I mean, it's not the students doing it, but this is the best area for street art in Sheffield at the moment.
we don't have very long. What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury,
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Down there on the other side of the river, got a nice little mural. Now that is funny. Got a pretty good mashup of different artists just here. Like the penguin. There's a couple of really good ones over there, including a Kid Acne, but this car park literally closed 5 days ago. I can't be bothered to climb over. There might be a way in over the other side though. It's not really well boarded up, but I think I'd still have to climb over. There's no way to sneak through. Actually, it wasn't nearly as hard as I thought, so I just snuck past. Just show these ones. And we've got a nice big Kid Acne over here. So that's pretty good. I don't know what they're going to do. Maybe they're just paving it. It'd be a shame if they tore these walls down. And I guess everything gets gentrified eventually. for something? Should probably look that up. So I didn't get to see Phlegm, but I thought it would be quite good to make a video of Sheffield street art. It's by no means comprehensive. It's just one part of the city centre, and even there I cycled past some side streets that I know for a fact have some good art, so I completely missed that out. Or maybe another day I'll do a bit more. So that's art visible in Sheffield on the 6th of April 2019. You know, some of it's been there for like 2 years. Some of the really good photographical ones get, you know, they get defaced, but some of them stay there for ages. So there's a couple now taking some photos of the skyline.